The late adopter. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, to the new video, and a lot of people have been asking me to do Matic, so I thought why not. I see some interesting stuff over here, so I thought I should tell you about it. Let's get into the charts and start seeing what I'm seeing. So I haven't done Matic before. I think I did it once, maybe twice once. So let's start with the weekly chart and see that this rise over here starts somewhere around here. So the best line I could draw, the nicest line, is this one over here. I think it went something like this, give or take, because this was used as support and resistance, and it didn't quite get it. But over here on the daily we can see that it kind of breaks it down here and then use that support down here again. So it might be pretty decent line. It doesn't help us much now, but we can know that this is some kind of a support we have right now, so we can use that as a reference if we start going down. Let's draw some more supports, and this one is pretty high up. It's up here, over here. So if we start going down, I would actually pretty much look for 28% down left to hit the 0.23 line if we are looking for supports. I'm not saying we are looking for supports, and I'm gonna actually show you something very bullish on the Matic, but I'm just saying, I mean, just in case, because anything can happen. You know, Elon Musk might come out with next tweet and say, yeah, Matic is dog ass, you know, Matic doesn't matter, and it might go down. I don't know why Elon Musk should talk about Matic right now, but you know, I'm just saying, anything can happen. Be sure anything can happen, anything. Anyways, let's see what's happening right here. This looks like some kind of a correction here, and we are it actually looks like a Cardano chart, man. Higher and then this big correction, just a little bit differently. Still, let's look at some kind of a moving averages up here, and you can see that we are below the 10 and 20 moving average on the daily, so we can actually hit this bottom part down here at 0.23. We don't have to, but we can if we start going further down. If we start going further down, we can actually hit that. On the 4 hourly, we are just above the 200 moving average on the averages, so and we are still being pushed down by the 10 and the 20 moving average. You can see here that we are below the 20 moving average, and we are being pushed down. So if we are gonna catch the 200 moving average on the 4 hourly and bounce off of that, depends to be seen. Let's see the bullish side, the bullish thing here. Let's remove some kind of moving averages and see that we got let's look at RSI. We got a hidden bullish divergence up here. So the price is going up, right, but the RSI went all the way down to the 54, and to me that's very, very bullish. So we are not overbought levels. We have actually reset the daily RSI. Let's look at how weekly RSI looks like. Weekly is all the way down to the 80. It was up at 92, now it's down at 80. So you can see that up here we were all the way up to 96 RSI on the weekly. So we had this small correction that put RSI back at 86, and then we pumped again, but only up to 92. So you can also say there is, yes, I know it looks like divergence, but you know, it's pretty small, it's pretty insignificant, because there are not enough weeks in between. And now we have had the correction again, and we have pushed the RSI, weekly RSI, all the way down to the 80. So I think before we actually can go up, I think we have to wait out this week, and maybe next week we'll go up again, because we are pushing down the RSI divergence, and it's looking nice. This on the monthly we are at 91, so still not still not like 94, 95, but even on the monthly we are pretty high up there, so anything can happen. Keep that in mind. But right now we have this very nice hidden bullish divergence on the RSI that actually should push the price higher up, and we're gonna see just where that's gonna happen. So if that happens, if this plays out, that means that the first thing you want to look for is getting above this white line over here. That's the 10 moving average, and the red line, the 20 moving average. So you can get above these two lines, we're gonna be pretty bullish, but we just have to follow and look what's actually happening with the price. We have to look at the price action, right? And on the 4-hourly, I'm going to show you on the 4-hourly there is also a divergence. Let me just zoom in here, remove some moving averages. Let's clean up the chart, and I'm going to show you that right over here, right now, there's an RSI divergence, right? So the price going down, but the RSI is going up, and that's RSI divergence. So this should at least put us up to some kind of moving averages. And if we look at moving averages on the 4-hourly, you can see here that we, like I said, we are being pushed by the 10 and 20 moving average. But maybe this RSI divergence up here, down here, might actually push us above these moving average, at least above the 10 and 20, and then maybe we can get all the way up above the 50 moving average up here. So when are we actually very bullish and it's confirmed? Well, that should be somewhere around up here. There's some kind of a line up here that's happening, right? Depends on how you draw it. It's pretty much following the 50 moving average, the yellow line on the 4-hourly. The yellow. So whenever we get above the yellow line, the 50 moving average up here, we can just remove this. When we get above the 50 moving average, we are very bullish. So all the price has to do is get above this level up here, 0.37. Once you're above 0.37 and you close on the 4-hourly, you become very bullish on this. So that's what we're looking for now. So we got the RSI divergence down here on the 4-hourly. We got RSI divergence on the daily, but it's not confirmed because this green candle is not yet in. So this can just continue going down, right? But as long as the price doesn't fall below this level over here, as long as it doesn't go all the way down here but only stops here, you are good, because this is some kind of low, and then you get a higher low that's actually a very bullish thing. You don't want to get below this line over here and get some kind of low down here and then get this low and lower low of these points, because that becomes very bearish. So right now it just seems to me that we are some kind of a normal correction phase. The bottom might be in. I just made a video, Bitcoin video. I'm saying the bottom may be in as well. So we have to wait and see. But these RSI divergences are happening on other charts as well. So we just have to keep on watching what's gonna happen. But I will be waiting at least above 0.37 on the 4-hourly to confirm it. Preferably on the daily. You can see on the daily that will be all-time high up here. So if that's gonna happen or not, but right now it just seems to me like normal consolidation. Thanks for watching, guys. That's the Matic video for you guys that have been asking for it. I hope you enjoyed that. If you like that, subscribe to the channel. If you like the video, and write down something in comments. I read all the comments. It's always nice to hear what you guys have to say. Anyways, cheer, have fun, bye bye.